before I start the video, just want to say you're all fucking legends for watching my content. Fucking before I start, make sure fucking smash the like button, fucking subscribe, and you're all legends. Fucking enjoy the video. Yeah, essential to try and pay attention and talk at the same time, so fucking see how this goes. No cunt tries to fucking pull out on me. It's fucking fun as fuck though, holy shit. Slow it down, slow it down. This shit is so fucking, this shit really builds your reaction time, eh? Oh, another one up there, fucking hell, man. No, you're right, you're right. Can't do this on a fucking track, can ya? Go around the corner, mate. Get over there. See if we can find any open lanes to fucking just full throttle this fucking bike. This thing is so slow, it's actually funny, what the fuck. Can't do this shit on a Harley, can ya? Don't tell me that's on purpose. Come on, 400! Come on! Try and get 13,000 RPM. So that's what a red line's at. Oh, no. Fucking careful. Holy shit. think we got out of that fuck. So, we'll just stick to the fucking speed limit. Ninja 400 can't go fucking past it anyway, so. Oh, that's more like it. Holy shit. Holy shit. Why are you fucking braking, mate? Fuck! What the fuck was that, mate? Someone's throwing shit out the fucking window. Fuck off. Ninja 400. Still haven't redlined the fucking rock yet. Holy shit. Nah, mate, not today. Trying to fucking ram into me. Second gear pull, mate. Fuck oath. Bro, this bike is so slow, what the fuck. Hell yeah. Well, yeah. Gonna name this video how to beat traffic or some shit, because that's how you fucking do it. That's how you fucking do it, mate. That's how you fucking do it. You can't do that in a fucking car, you can't do that on a track. It's fucking awesome shit. In my opinion, deserves a like. So fucking like, subscribe, and yeah, do some more sick content, maybe get some other bikes out, do a track video. Fuck off, mate, all of the above.